Hi, it's Tanya from My Forking Life, and today we're in the kitchen and we are making a fresh corn salad. Now with the weather getting warmer, this is a delicious salad that you can eat over those hot summer days. You could also bring it to your family gatherings or whatever you choose to do. All right, let's get started. So I've got here a few ingredients, but the star of the show is these fresh corn. So I'm actually going to prep that first before I get to the rest of the salad. I am using fresh corn on the cob because that does give this a nice crunch within the salad. You could use canned corn or frozen corn. It's just gonna have a little bit of a different texture. So all you're gonna do is just peel the corn. Shuck it, shuck the corn. Shuck it is what it's called. And you wanna rinse this off to get rid of all that little extra stuff. Now, since I'm using fresh corn, I am going to need to cook it first in the oven. So I've preheated my oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, to prepare this corn, I am going to season it with some butter and some other seasonings. I've melted my butter and I'm gonna add a little bit of seasoning to that. Got some salt and black pepper, a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, as well as some paprika. Do that a little bit. And now I'm gonna pour that seasoned butter all over the corn. I'm gonna use a brush to make sure every single bit of corn is covered on all sides. Now I'm gonna put this in our preheated oven and heat this until it's heated through, which is gonna take about 12 to 15 minutes. All right. While my corn is cooking, I am gonna go ahead and prep the rest of my salad. And so I'm going to add some chopped red onion. Look, I'm cutting properly. And if you don't have a red onion, you could use, a green onion. You could use a sweet onion, any kind of light oniony flavor. I like red because I like the color that it adds to this fresh corn salad. I'm also gonna add some chopped cucumber, about a half a cup. You want just about a half a cup of cucumber because you still want the corn to shine. And I'm gonna have some grape tomatoes. Again, just to add some nice color and flavor to this corn salad. And I'm also gonna add some fresh Italian parsley, about a quarter of a cup. More or less, whatever you like. And I'm just gonna combine this while I wait for my corn to finish cooking. So our corn has finished cooking in the oven. A lot of the butter has rubbed off, but that seasoning, some of it's still stuck to that corn. And I'm going to actually cut the corn off the kernels. Oh, I also allowed this to cool. Make sure your corn cools down after you're done cooking it. All right, so I'm gonna actually just cut the kernels off the corn. You wanna make sure you've got a sharp enough knife. I'm just gonna hold it at the top and just cut it down. Easy peasy. So now that I've chopped off all the kernels of corn, I've added that to that bowl. Now, I do add some Gorgonzola cheese to this dish. That is clearly up to you. I like the addition of the cheese. I think it just gives another layer of flavor. There's some people in my family that don't like it, so you could also leave it out. And I'm going to mix all those ingredients in a bowl, but we are not done yet. This is good as is, but it's really good if you add a vinaigrette, and it's so easy to make a vinaigrette. I like to make mine in a little glass jar. And all you need to do is you need to make sure you add some oil. I'm using an olive oil here that doesn't have too strong of a flavor. A little bit of apple cider vinegar. Some honey to sweeten it up a little bit. Honey's so sweet. and some salt and pepper. Cover it up, give it a shake until it's emulsified. I feel like I'm in the club. All right. And then we're going to actually just pour that over our salad. Voila. Give it a nice mix. Now, if you want to serve this immediately, you can, or you can put this in the fridge and allow it to chill for at least an hour to really amplify those flavors. But I'm hungry, so I'm going to eat it right now. But there you have it, easy and delicious corn salad. Let me get a plate. Now time to taste test. Really good, really seasoned, really fresh, really delicious. All right, guys, until the next time, bye. Just go.